Are you looking for the best laser level in your budget? Well, in today's video, we break down the top 5 best laser level that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below, and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. The 5th product on our list is the Johnson Level 400921 Self-Leveling Laser Level Kit. The 400921 is an entry-level kit that is otherwise chock full of features, simplifying leveling needs at home. To begin with, it has an interior range of 100 feet, which is perfect for homeowners who require a dependable device while undertaking home renovations. Furthermore, the 360 degrees graduated base makes it convenient to work with angle layouts on any project. Also, the device automatically self-levels within 6 degrees, so you only have to make minor adjustments to get it to an exactly level line. Also, we like the simple, user-friendly one-switch control and the red laser beam, which is highly visible indoors. Other than that, we like that the kit includes a tripod and a hard shell carrying case facilitating safe storage and transport. Besides, the locking mechanism in the case holds all the internal components of the laser level in place. Up next in the 4th place is the Skil Self-Leveling Red Crossline Laser. To begin with, this model from Skil can emit bright red horizontal and vertical lines up to a distance of 50 feet. Also, regardless of the usage, the device automatically levels while the indicators signal when the lines are not correctly aligned. Furthermore, this product is powered with an integrated lithium-ion battery that has a convenient USB charging port for recharging on the go. Therefore, whenever you notice a drop in the charge, after looking at the light indicator, you can simply plug it in before the next project. Other than that, we like the included multifunctional clamp that can be attached to the top or the bottom of the unit for secure positioning on a table, ladder, etc. But the best feature of this user-friendly tool is the locking mode that allows you to position the projected lines at any angle. The 3rd product on our list is the Bosch Laser Level and Square GTL2. Not all of us prefer a device with several buttons and complicated features. Some of us would want a simple laser level unit with straightforward functions, and Bosch delivers exactly that with their GTL2 model. To begin with, this equipment provides an accuracy of up to 1/2 inch and has a range of 30 feet. The specs may not seem extraordinary, but to be honest, given the price of the product, we're actually impressed. Apart from that, it enables you to calculate and modify angles in 5-degree increments for 90-degree layouts. Therefore, you can use this leveling and aligning laser tool on the wall or floor to get the desired angle with a click of a button. Also, we like the included adhesive mounting strips that allow you to secure the tool on smooth surfaces without leaving marks or any residue. Second on our list is the CoolTech Multipurpose Laser Level Laser Line. First and foremost, this unusual-looking device offers a 3-pronged approach, combining a fine-tuned measuring tape, a triple-positioned leveling bubble, and a laser level, providing maximum utility and results. Furthermore, this laser level also acts as a laser measuring tool, is highly effective anywhere that requires straight lines and precise measurements. Therefore, you'll find it quite practical and useful for measuring locations on a wall, space between hangers, and leveling nails. Moreover, it's also accurate to within 2 mm in the 10 mm range, which is quite remarkable compared to other options at the same price point. Also, even though this model does not come with a magnetic mounting bracket, that's not a major concern as it can be attached to a standard tripod. That being said, the possibilities are endless with this lightweight, triple measuring system enabled unit, as unlike traditional models, it can also be used for woodworking projects and garden layouts. Finally, the top product on our list is the Bosch GLL2 self-correcting cross-line laser level. First off, The GLL2 laser projects highly visible laser lines that enable you to quickly discern and focus while working on a variety of surfaces. Also, with this device, you're always level, as its self-leveling feature ensures accurate alignment and proper layout, thereby increasing productivity. We especially like the smart pendulum system behind this self-leveling function, as it provides high precision regardless of the application. Also, we like that the 3 modes horizontal, vertical, and cross-line on this gadget can work independently of each other, allowing maximum operational flexibility to the users. Furthermore, it comes with a mounting accessory that can clamp to shelves, bars, and other surfaces around the home. Therefore, you can keep the laser suspended in the air, on the ground, or on a tripod and achieve the same accuracy for any household task. And that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.